Pisces! This is a Pisces Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Pisces? Kamusta? Anong balita? Last time I remember nagkaroon ng mga issues this 2024 ang mga Pisces about sa finances, okay? So, tignan natin kung anong meron para sa first quarter. But I remember din na makakabawi naman no, kung ano man yung mga hinihintay na opportunities, na pera, collection, or whatever. Let's see. Pisces Sun, Moon, Rising, pumapala. Pisces Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message, okay? Announce ko lang, ongoing pa rin ang sale natin para sa mga crystals from the original price of 2,500, 1,999 na lang. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Pisces Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. Let's see kung anong meron hanggang first quarter ng 2025. Let's see. Pisces energy. Pisces energy. Broken heart, disappointment, nasasaktan ng mga Pisces. Bakit? Meron siyang hinihintay ang mga Pisces na transformation, but nadi-disappoint because meron siyang hinihintay. May hinihintay ang mga Pisces na good news, balita, message. Okay? Hindi makamove forward or may blockage in moving forward. Ayaw rin namang magbigay ng effort. The Pisces are trying to move forward pero hindi makamove forward. Hindi na rin naman nagbibigay ng effort sa situation na to. Pero gusto ng mga Pisces na i-detach ang sarili niya or any energetic ties na nagtatali between the Pisces and yung person niya. Okay? The feminine here is like nire-release na niya yung energy niya from this connection at may clarity naman dito. Sabi ng feminine, alam niya yung deserve niya. And this is just go with the flow. If maging okay, but if not, but it feels like the feminine knows her value. Pag hindi niya naramdaman na ito yung deserve niya, hindi magsisettle ang feminine sa anything and any connection na alam niyang she deserves more. Alright? There is also an energy of like hindi maka-walk away or gustong bumalik because someone feels na ito yung judgment, tamang decision, and tama at wise decision for now. There is a very strong connection here. Kasal, may bahay, live-in, okay, may mga pangakong long-term, but nagkakaroon ng holding back of offer of love because someone feels na hindi na naman daw stable ang connection na to. The masculine, nagkakaroon siya ng disappointment, sadness, at parang may kailangan mangyaring pag-uusap between the masculine and the feminine here. May isang na-unearth. may na-reveal na sikreto about kasinungalingan, deceit, and someone tries to rebuild him or herself. Nagkaroon ng toxicity sa relationship na to, addiction, third party, ego, toxicity sa relationship na nagdala ng defeat at nagdala ng blockage for this connection. Let's see kung ano to. Pisces. Let's see kung anong meron pa para sa mga Pisces. Anong chismis? The reason for the reading is may mga tinanggap na responsibilities, may mga tinanggap na betrayal, may mga natanggap na burden, mabigat sa puso, mahirap tanggapin. And recent past, sabi ng Pisces, kailangan niya mag-isa, mag-isip, alone time para maproseso niya kung ano ba itong nangyayari na to. Prayers and manifestations, nag-iisip ang mga Pisces kung dapat pa ba talagang kausapin ng kanyang person. Kausapin, ayusin. Because nagkakaroon ng sadness, okay? Pisces right now, hindi niya alam kung paano i-rebuild ang connection na to or marirebuild pa ba after merong mga revelation. And someone, the Pisces feels unrequited yung mga pagmamahal na ibinigay niya sa person niya. And yung Pisces here, sabi niya is very uncertain siya kung tama pa ba ang connection na to or hindi na. Sabi nung person ng Pisces is marami na daw misunderstanding sa connection na to. Though this is a very strong soul connection, but marami nang hindi pagkakaintindihan, may confusion din sa person ng mga Pisces. This could also be na open na sa options yung person ng mga Pisces. Alright? And because of that, may mga doubts na about maayos pa ba to, matatanggal pa ba ang isang feminine energy dito, mga third energy, yung mga na-involve na ibang connection dito na hindi dapat, na nakasira ng relasyon, matatanggal pa ba daw to? Maaayos pa ba? Kaya pa bang ayusin? Pisces! I feel until the end of March, meron kang inaayos about your financial stability. I feel may court case or meron kang inaayos na legalities or meron kang mga gagawing tama about your finances. But hindi magiging madali for you to move forward at may hahanapin kang wisdom kung ano ba talaga yung dapat gawin. I feel magkakaroon ka ng new beginning. Andyan pa rin yung energetic attachment dun sa, I don't know, someone is being involved sa third party connection. Andyan pa rin yung attachment. We could be involved with Capricorn, Aqua, Gemini, Virgo. Yun. You feel attached pa rin sa isang connection na hindi ka naman dapat, no, na hindi naman dapat ini-entertain here. May chismis, may bad news sa relationship na to. And someone wants to have a new beginning already, to take a leap of faith. Okay? So, I feel masculine, if nagkakaroon ng blockage right now, in terms of finances, I feel mas kailangan mong ayusin at bigyan ng focus and solution ang finances. Especially if this connection involves kids. Kasi ang number one concern is yung stability ng mga bata. Okay? Pisces outcome. Ano pa yung outcome? Meron ka mga iniisip na solusyon. But feeling mo hindi pa yun yung best solution, hindi yun yung tama. So you're torn between making a decision right now. Last, any more clarification? So nandun pa rin yung disagreements because of dishonesty sa relationship na to. Whatever you're trying to manifest, especially on the side of the feminine, na mabuo at maging maayos ulit na yung mga long-term plans about this connection, just manage your expectations because I don't feel na madaling ayusin kung ano man yung nasira sa relationship na to. Alright? To balance the energies, to attract harmonious relationship, to heal the heart, the emotions, Madagascar Rose Quartz. Alright? To get in touch, to have mental clarity, and to be more in touch with the divine, amethyst crystals. Okay? Manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine, protection from negative energy, anti-evil eye, anti-negative energy, bad juju, the Madagascar black tourmaline. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the enlightened guide. Okay? So kapit lang, I feel the masculine is trying to figure out kung paano niya to aayusin at nagde-decide yung masculine kung ano ba talaga yung best for this situation. Hindi madali ang pag-fix ng relationship na to. Meron din mga considerations about bata here because maaaring naapektuhan ang mga bata. Okay? And feminine, if you're still dreaming or manifesting na maibalik yung dati, also manage your expectations kasi kumbaga sa bahay na nabagyo, na hurricane, maraming i-rebuild sa connection na to. Okay? So that will be the Pisces reading for the month of January. PM me for your personal reading and kung paano magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized crystals. Habol na sa sale. Bye-bye, Pisces!